Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use the find function in Excel. Here I have some text in cell A1. The find function is used to locate the position of a specific text within another text string. It is case sensitive, which means it distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters. Writing the formula. In another cell, type =find. You will see three parameters. 1, find text, the text you want to find. 2, within text, the text where you want to search. 3, start num, optional, the position from where the search should begin. Example. First, type ipsum in double quotations as the text to find. Then type a comma and select A1 as the text where we want to search. We will leave the third parameter, starting position, for now. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return 7, which means the word ipsum starts from the 7th character in the text. Remember, spaces are also counted. Using start position now, if we include the third parameter, for example 11, the function will start searching from the 11th position onward. Additional notes, you can use find to search for letters, numbers, or even spaces. It is case sensitive, so text and text are treated differently. And that's how you use the find function in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.